This is a 2011 Dodge Grand Caravan. This minivan has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.6-liter V6, plus having just come off lease, this Dodge is in like-new condition. Its top features include a rear-view camera, power-adjustable driver pedals, traction control and stability control systems, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, air conditioning, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, fog lamps, an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. This Dodge has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.